All right, what's up, everybody? Bryce here, coming at you with another real quick crypto market update. It is Satoshi Nakamoto's birthday, April 5th. Guys, I can't tell you how excited I am for this holiday, okay? To me, this is a holiday, so what did I do? I went out and I bought a Bitcoin custom-made Happy Birthday Satoshi cake. I'm trying to spread the good word to bakers all around the world. No, just kidding. I'm trying to spread the word to everyone all around the world that Bitcoin is here. It's here to stay. It's going to be a big part of our financial futures, and it's definitely worthy of celebrating. Now, to the folks who are in the audience, who are astute, they might think, well, hold on. Isn't Satoshi Nakamoto, isn't he anonymous? In fact, don't we actually not even know who Satoshi Nakamoto is? Is it a boy, a girl, a man, a woman? Is it an American, a Brit? Is it a CIA agent? Is it someone from MI6? Nobody knows. It could be a group of people, okay? So why is this April 5th day dawned as Satoshi Nakamoto's birthday? And it's just a funny story. So again, nobody knows who the identity is of Satoshi Nakamoto, they or them or him, but we do have a lot of records of Satoshi and their communications on a forum back in 2010, 2011, back when Bitcoin was first starting. And it was called Bitcoin Talk. And this was like, 4chan or Reddit or whatever, but it was just for Bitcoiners. And before, again, there was any banks or anybody involved, Bitcoin was worth $0. But there was a big group of people that were really excited about it from the grassroots. And Satoshi Nakamoto was who wrote the white paper and the original source code. On Satoshi's profile, it said birthday, April 5th, 1933. Okay, and so this wasn't an accident. This wasn't just a random, let's just pick a random number or whatever. It was very intentional. Do you guys, for all the history buffs out there, know what happened April 5th, 1933? And I'll wait. You could pause it. You could think to yourself. You could ask your wife or your husband or your friend that you might be with, right? Ask them, do they know what happened on April 5th, 1933? Well, the answer is that it on that day became law that holding gold was illegal. Executive Order 6102 by Franklin D. Roosevelt, FDR, April 5th, 1933. Basically, in the midst of this Great Depression, there was a banking crisis. There was a lot of bad credit. Remember, the central banks were still on the gold standard back then. And there wasn't enough gold in the vaults for the loans that had been extended, for the credit that was out there. So they said the only way that we can get us out of this crisis is Executive Order 6102 to make everyone who has gold at their home, whether it's in their basement or in their bank account, safe deposit box, under their mattress, you got to send it in to the U.S. government. And we have to recapitalize America's banking system. And it was a very, very, very iconic event. And again, as I became a Bitcoiner and a crypto guy, I learned about it. Of course, this is not something I knew about. They don't teach you in the history books about it. But it was pretty interesting. And Bitcoiners care so much about this because we want to make sure something like that never happens again, where there could be a mass confiscation of wealth. Your hard-earned wealth confiscated by the state, confiscated by the nation, right? For something that you weren't on, that you shouldn't be on the hook for, right? And so when this whole thing happened, it really, really destroyed and desecrated a lot of America's, financial sort of sovereignty for their citizens, those libertarian ideals, the property, the rights to property and the pursuit of happiness and all this thing called into question a lot of it when this executive order was issued. Of course, it didn't last forever. Many people now hold gold and all that kind of stuff, but people think Bitcoin is so attractive and so cool because it is uncensorable, it is unseizable, it's borderless, it's permissionless, it's global money. That it's something completely different. So anyhow, we celebrate Satoshi Nakamoto's birthday every April 5th since 2010 when the Bitcoin first started trading. And Satoshi came out and started speaking about it on forums and stuff. But I always think it's funny. It's a good teachable moment as well, to let people know that this executive order did happen, and in the future it could happen again, something similar. And it calls into question a lot of democratic values when the government seizes your property and seizes your forms of investment and all that kind of stuff. And so a humble reminder that history has a lot of good lessons to learn from, and Satoshi paid homage to that on April 5th. So anyhow, little market update there for you guys, because April 5th is a big day. But also, just in price action, things have been recovering quite strongly. Bitcoin bounced from a low of around $64,500, trading now right around $68,000. We're in a chop zone. We're in a little bit of consolidation, but again, it's a long-term uptrend as defined by so many metrics. The 200-day moving average is moving higher. You've got tens of billions of dollars of inflows into the ETFs. You've got the Bitcoin halving coming. You've got a pending Ethereum ETF. You've got all sorts of crazy altcoins going up 100, 200, 300% month over month. It is a bull market. So when you do see these sharp little dips, these are buying opportunities. These are ways that you can get more coins for cheaper, basically buying the dip. I'm long through this period. Can prices come a little bit lower, 10, 15% lower? Certainly, right? Markets breathe, markets move around a little bit. So I'm not, trying to get aggressive with shorts or anything at these levels. I think, again, $67,000, $68,000, it's still a high price for Bitcoin, but I think prices are going to keep getting higher. So this is a bull market. Short-term corrections are buying opportunities. There's a lot of bullish stuff happening. And I couldn't be really, truly more excited about what's going on. So hopefully you guys are, staying afloat during this volatility. Hopefully you guys are also celebrating the birthday of Satoshi Nakamoto. For without Satoshi, none of us would be trading crypto. None of us would have financial freedom and all these promises that are assured by, holding cryptocurrency and taking, true ownership over your financial freedom. It's super important that you guys do that. I'm passionate about it. I spend every waking hour thinking about it and every sleeping hour dreaming about it. How I can bring you, myself, my family, all my friends, how I can bring us all out of financial oppression from, the state and from the grind of the day to day, and just bring us out to financial freedom. Okay. And what that's like, and experiencing that and bringing everyone along with me. And I think cryptocurrencies are the vehicle to do that, to get you out of the cycle and break out and become who you were meant to be. So guys, with that, that's the market update. Don't forget today, mark it on your calendar next year. Buy a Bitcoin cake. Have some fun with it, okay? Have some fun with it and enjoy yourself, and we'll see you guys soon. And real quick, if you aren't already subscribed to a research service where you could get actionable, daily insights, weekly newsletters, buy zones, sell zones, a group of over 10,000 crypto traders that are sharing their ideas, their news flow, all that stuff. If you don't have a service like that, but it sounds cool and you want something like that, then I'm going to give you a 1-week trial to Crypt Nation, okay? It's $1, by the way. $1 1-week trial to Crypt Nation. You can come and see. You can join all these amazing crypto traders. Myself, my team of analysts that are world-renowned crypto traders, investors, analysts that are scouring the space to bring you the best opportunities, but only if you are subscribed. So again, hit that button or hit that link below or on the page where you're seeing this video, and you'll be able to join us 1 week, $1. We'll see you inside. All right, everybody. Take care. And take a drink for Satoshi tonight. Am I right?